So same place as we were last time, so we're just going to rev this a little bit. Okay, now we're going to press the button. Sounds great. Right, let's get this back. Hey mates, how's life behind bars? Not these bars, these bars. So today we've got a really exciting project on the cards. It's not an adventure bike, it's an R90. Now I've got a little bit of a love affair for R90s. I used to have two, not at the same time, but it feels like an ex-girlfriend coming around to visit for the day. Obviously a good ex-girlfriend, the one that slipped away. I love these bikes, I'm just a bit too big for them. But what we're doing to this today is we're fitting a Jekyll and Hyde. Now I still to this day have not heard a Jekyll and Hyde on an R90, so super stoked about this one. I'm literally doing it the day before I fly to Hawaii, so I'm off to Hawaii tomorrow, but by the time you see this video, I'll be back. The owner has agreed. He's already actually been here with his GS Adventure and had a load of work done to it, but he's agreed for me to have a go on it. So I'm going to take it out for a quick test ride now with the stock exhaust, and then we're going to put the Jekyll and Hyde on there, and I'm going to take it for another spin so you can hear the difference in the sound. So if you like this, then make sure you come to a bike thing to get your Jekyll and Hyde exhaust for your R90. Okay, so I can't really speak as I'm riding along because I haven't got a microphone actually in my helmet. Right, so let's have a quick listen to this. So this is a stock exhaust on here. If I just give it a little rev. This is what I love about this bike, the R90, is you do that, the whole of the engine wants to, it rocks from left to right. It's like I'm having to fight it with my legs. It wants to, you see that? It gives the bike a soul. I absolutely love this bike. This is enough for me to actually say, do you know what, I think I'm going to go and buy one. So there's a stock exhaust. Let's ride back and get the Jekyll and Hyde fitted. Let me through. That's beautiful.
Did it work this time?
Yeah.
Cool.
That was take two. Now the problem is when you run your own business, I don't know. Obviously, you're getting pulled from pillar to post, doing the different things, emails, talking to customers and stuff. And Tom just gets carried away. He's taken the exhaust off the bike already. He's already got the Jekyll and Hyde on there. I missed my opportunity to get down here with the camera to watch him taking the stock exhaust off. Yeah, I'm moaning about you, Tom. All right, but let's have a look at this Jekyll and Hyde on here now. So Tom wants to make an official apology, saying, "I'm so sorry." Say, "Boss, I'm really sorry that I didn't hang around for you to take the..."
So sorry.
Okay.
So sorry.
So he's cracked on. We've got the Jekyll and Hyde exhaust on here. Ooh, looks really good. So it's not a double, is it? It's just a single.
It's a single.
It's a single. That's nice. Looks so much sportier as well. So he's doing the final bit of the wiring here. So the exhaust is on, and now Tom's getting all the wiring on. So where have you actually plugged the exhaust into, Tom?
It goes into the alarm system, like all Jekyll and Hyde on BMW.
Yeah.
Goes directly into the alarm, and then the button just goes up there.
Right, and what's that box of tricks hanging down there?
That's the magic box of tricks.
That's the magic box of tricks.
All plugs into there, you can't get it wrong.
So just the last stages, and we're going to get this back on the road again and have a listen to it. Now we've got the Jekyll and Hyde on there. Oh, I can't wait, can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. Okay, so here we go again. Let's take it for a spin now with the Jekyll and Hyde exhaust on it. Love that twist. Make sure we're still recording. Yeah. I think that pigeon was trying to get me, wasn't he? Right. So, same place as we were last time, so we're just going to rev this a little bit. Okay, now we're going to press the button. Sounds great. Right, let's get this back. much fun, so much more fun. So I'm just editing this video now, and I thought I had a closing piece that I recorded. Turns out I haven't, or I've lost it, so I don't remember. So just closing down the video now in this recording I'm doing right now. Just to say, if you are interested in a Jekyll and Hyde for your bike, well, head over to jekyllandhyde.com and see if your bike is on there. Configure the exhaust how you want it. Now, for this particular Jekyll and Hyde for the RnineT, there's so many variations of how you want to put it together, whether you want it in silver, black, you can have silver caps, gold caps, brass caps, however you want it. What we fitted today is what the customer requested. So they're all made to order. So if you want one, head over there, configure your exhaust for your RnineT or for your Triumph Bobber, whatever bike it might be, Harley, BMW, you name it. When you go through and configure, you get a configuration code, and then you can select the preferred installer where they will then get in touch with you. It could be me. If you're local here in the UK, well, then we can install it for you. We've had customers come from Europe who have had their Jekyll and Hyde installed by ourselves as well. That's how you do it. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.